Hello friends, welcome our channel. In this video I am gonna show you how to make a disk or pen drive or memory card on PC is write protected. This F drive, in my case is pen drive. Now I make it write protected. So what can I do? First we want to go command prompt with administrative privilege. For that type here simply run as administrator. Then type here this part. In this part, we can check how many disks in here. So command here list disks. Here show one disk, no pen drive show. Now show two disks. Here this one is pen drive. Now I select the pen drive. So command here select disk 1. Disk 1 is now the selected disk. Now check it read only mode, yes or not. So command here attribute disk read only, no, make it a read only mode. So command here attribute disk set read only. Attribute set successful. Exit from here. Now I check it. Copy some file and paste here. The disk is write protected. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.